everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes right here. It is a full lash kit. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So they are all by this brand right there, SQYlashes. I'm not sure how you'd say that. It does come with the glue and the seal. Comes with these little applicators right there. And these are the lashes. It does not say what the lengths are. It just says it's a 100-piece set. So these look like they're probably about 16. I would say 14, 12, and maybe 10. But I'm not quite sure. That's just what they look like. I'll probably put... I may go with all these middle ones. Instead of, normally I do like 2 of these, and then 2 of the next size. But I may just do all this one so that they're kind of the same. We'll see how it works out. So to start out, I like to get the bond, which is step 1. You can see it's a micro mascara wand. And all I do is I kind of just push this at the very base of the lash. Just barely touching it. Just like that. So you want to grab it and then you're going to glue them from underneath. The glue is kind of sticking. As you can see, that's how easy they are to apply. And then once you're done with that, I like to go through and just clamp them down onto the lashes. And that's just going to make sure that they do not go anywhere. My lashes don't feel too sticky. Then you'll get step 2, maybe like in the corner right here. Anywhere where you're sticky, you just grab this and just slightly run it underneath there. And that's going to create a seal to where it doesn't stick. Okay, and as you can see, that is what it looks like completed. It's like looking down, over. So before and after, complete difference. Let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, and as you can see, that is what my lashes look like completed. I really do like this set because they're very wispy. There's hairs that are longer than other hairs, and I just love the way that looks. You can see, like from the side. They're so pretty, so full. Definitely give these a 5 out of 5. I'll see how they last. They seem like they're going to be really good. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.